Catherine Carmichael. I'm the Director of Public Engagement here at the City of Bloomington. I work in the Office of the Mayor. And I'm joined today by City Attorney Mike Rouker. Mike's going to help me answer some questions that actually you folks, local business owners, brought to my attention that I couldn't answer. So I brought in an expert. And the topic, of course, is House Bill 1296, which changes the gun carry law here in Indiana, and that law will change effective July 1st. So Mike, thank you for helping me with this.
My pleasure.
I rely on you often for things like this, so thanks again, I should say. The first question that I got from local businesses was, can I restrict people from bringing their weapons? If I can see they're carrying a weapon, can I restrict them from bringing that weapon into my business?
Absolutely. Private business owners have always been able to restrict the possession of firearms on their property. That has not been changed by House Bill 1296. So if somebody's open carrying a firearm into your establishment and you don't want them there, you can tell them to leave. And if they won't leave, and you have to, in a terrible situation, you can call the police and say, please, you have to make this person leave.
So in order to avoid maybe getting it to that point, can they post signage in their front windows saying, hey, we don't really want you to carry your gun here?
Absolutely. That's a great idea, too.
Okay. And then are there any other options? For example, can they offer someone a place to store their weapon while they're in their place of business?
Yeah, that would be an option for private businesses as well, to say we've got a locker or a lockbox or a cubby. Please leave your firearm here while you're in our establishment, and when you leave, we'll give it back to you.
Okay, great. What else should local businesses know? Anything that they should be aware of or to avoid in order not to get crosswise with the law?
Yeah, nothing I can think of. The main impact of House Bill 1296 is it does away with the gun license requirement, but for businesses, they probably shouldn't see a big impact from that in terms of the way they interact with members of the public who might want to carry a firearm.
Okay, great. Well, let's leave it there. If you have more questions that we didn't answer today, please reach out to me, Mary Catherine Carmichael. I'm in the Mayor's office, 812-349-3406. And we'll get your questions answered. So thanks again for joining us.